Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laurel, the artsy accountant. Today I wanted to share with you guys a little Valentine's Day haul. I will save that for the end, as well as some baby clothes organization. I really like this system I have going on, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So let's get on into it. So this is the cart setup that we had while Emmeline was in our room. We basically had it next to her pack and play. And my plan was to move everything from the cart into her dresser, but what I ended up doing is just moving all of the diaper stuff to the top drawer. I didn't really like having her clothes in here. It's easier to have everything out and accessible, so I'd like to show you guys the new setup. And ignore the dirty diapers in there. I just wanted to show you guys this cool Amazon find. You can actually store the trash bags in there, and it hooks right on the side of the cart, which is so convenient. I love this find. So this is a cart I bought from Michael's. I like it because it's the extra wide version. You can fit a lot more stuff. I had bought the smaller version to start, but it started falling apart because I had so much stuff on it. So these bins are from IKEA. They're made to fit the dressers, but they fit perfectly in this cart. You can fit 4 of the small ones or 2 of the bigger ones. So I'm using this to hold extra sheets and burp cloths. I'm also using the top bins to hold all of her bows, as well as her little hats and socks. The next row is for all of her clothes. I put small bins down here, and I use 2 to hold her shirts, one for short sleeve and one for long sleeve, and then the other 2 I use to hold her pants, and then the last bin for her pajamas. And on the last shelf, I decided to use 2 of the larger bins. On one, I hold all of her vests and jackets and sweaters and things like that. And on the right side is for outfits, like one-piece outfits and dresses. And I prefer a cart over a dresser because it's much more visual and easy to put things away. I also like that I can just keep it right outside of her room here, so when she's sleeping during her naps or at night, I can do laundry and put stuff away then, and I don't have to wait and do it when she's awake and put everything in her room. So this works out really well, having everything out here. Hi guys! One of the things I wanted to do was a little Valentine's Day haul, mostly from Target, so let's get on into it. So we are getting Emmeline's 9-month photos taken, and I wanted to do a Valentine's Day theme for most of the photos, if not all of them, because I did get a lot of stuff for it. The things that I picked up were some of their pillows. I got 3 to match each other. They all have like the red, pink, and white going on, with these really cute like fuzzy details. I like the little tassels on the corners. So that is pillow number 1. And then I got this red pillow with little hearts on it. And then some different colors too. This one has hearts as well, bigger pattern. I like the bigger hearts with the smaller hearts, and I love the texture on here. I also like this one because you can do a nice little karate chop. That's these 3. Emmeline can sit up on her own now, but I thought those would be really cute to like prop behind her. I also got this really pretty wreath, so same kind of colors going on. Of course, the red and pink, really pretty leaves and cute little like felt flowers. She's wearing a pink dress, so I think this will look really nice. This is the Cat and Jack brand. I love the tutu, has like little gold specks in there, and then of course little ruffles here and bow detail. I think those just go really well together. I also got her this really cute sweater. This is Christmas, but I'm gonna use it for Valentine's Day. I love the fuzzy details. I think it's gonna go really well with tassels and things. They all have like that pom-pom fuzzy feel, so I think that will go really well with this texture. So a little headband to go with it. Little heart sparkles. These are Carter's. I think those will both go really well together. Back behind me is actually this baby toy that I found at Walmart. It's a fox, which is her bedroom theme. So I thought she looked so cute, like in this sweater holding that little fox with the little red headband. These are the little tassels I was talking about. They kind of have, you know, that fuzzy detail. I think that will look really cute with her little sweater. And up close of these tassels, they are so cute. And look what you can do with them. How adorable. Some more of these. I'll open them up for you guys. I'm loving like all the texture this year, and more pom-poms of course. And these I got, I thought I could open them up and she could hold them. I don't think I'm gonna use them as a garland. I think I'll kind of like sprinkle them around her and she can like hold it, chew on it, whatever. So, ooh, really cute. Those are actually pretty cute. I wasn't sure exactly how I felt about these, but I liked the pom-poms. I also bought these as a backdrop option. Super cute. And to pair with those, I also got some balloons. I don't know if we'll use them, but I thought these would be really cute together. I got her these little tights. I love the red and pinks, but I also am a big fan of like the pastel colors too. A couple more items. These two signs behind me are in the Bullseye's playground section, as well as this little thing. Okay, this was $5. And I got it to fill with candy. I love Valentine's Day hot cocoa bar. I don't know why, I just think it looks adorable. So I'm excited to like fill this up with some candies. That's it for the video. This coming week, I plan to work more on her room, like getting some artwork up on these bare walls. I am also going to be starting planning her birthday party. So I hope to be more organized about that than I am with other things. So hope y'all will join me and see y'all in the next one. Bye.